I hope you all are doing well. This is Twinkle and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you don't know me, so hello, this is Twinkle and I make videos on fashion, makeup, skincare, hairstyles and much more. So yes, if you are interested in any of these, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to review Mamaearth Onion Shampoo. Yes, as like 90% of the girls, I was also facing huge and massive hair fall. So one fine day, I just heard a lot about Mamaearth onion range, and even I have applied real onion juice also earlier. So I just ordered it and I just wanted to try anything that works. So yeah, if you want to know my honest review about that range and that brand, please keep on watching. So I ordered it like 2 months ago and MRP of the shampoo is 349 rupees, but I purchased it on discount and even I got the onion hair oil bottle free of 25 ml, and I'll put the screenshot here of the amount. So my review for this is, I was having a massive hair fall. Like I'll just put fingers and कुछ बाल मेरे हाथ में आ जाते थे, like this हद तक हो गया था. Like if you see my hairstyle videos, I was having very lengthy hair till my waistline. So first of all, I decided to chop my hair, yes, because it was too difficult to manage these long hair and with such great hair fall. So first of all, I cut my hair and then I started using the shampoo because I just wanted to get rid of that extra weight, and because it was too messy and too difficult to handle. So I just ordered it and till now I have used it around 10 to 12 times, and oil तो finish हो गया, वो शायद 3 या 4 times में ही finish हो गया था. Even though I didn't order it also, it came free, but I was using shampoo continuously like 2-3 days or 4 days or maximum 5 days skip करके I was using shampoo. First use में I didn't understood कि कुछ हुआ भी है या नहीं, एंड इट इज फेयर इनफ कि पता नहीं चलता फर्स्ट यूज में, बट आफ्टर 4 or 5 यूजेस आई स्टार्टेड टू सी रिजल्ट्स, एंड येस आई वॉज क्वाइट हैप्पी. हेयर फॉल बंद नहीं हुआ था, बट येस इट फ्रॉम 100% इट केम टू 80%. दैट थैंक गॉड, मेरे लिए इतना ही काफी था, इतना काम कर गया. येस, बट नाउ मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो हैं बढ़ गई एंड आई थॉट कि ये पूरी तरह वैनिश कर ले. सो येस, आई जस्ट कंटिन्यू टू यूज इट एंड टिल नाउ आई एम यूजिंग इट. आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी बॉटल है एंड आई गॉट हाउ मच ml? 250 ml in rupees 349 here, but the amount I have already mentioned. So yeah, this was on discount and I don't think it was a bad deal. आज मेरा हेयर फॉल आई थिंक 40% पे आ चुका है, पूरी तरीके से नहीं गया है. आई मिस माई हेयर, येस आई मिस माई हेयर, बट हाँ छोटे भी अच्छे हैं, लाइक इतने शॉर्ट भी नहीं है, एंड आई एम लाइकिंग इट एंड एंजॉइंग इट एंड मेकिंग द हेयर स्टाइल वीडियोज एंड मस्त कॉन्टेंट. सो येस, ये पूरी बॉटल फिनिश होने का वेट है मुझे. आई थिंक ये ऐसे ही काम करता रहेगा, बट आई होप कि मैं इसको यूज करना बंद करूं और ये वापस से वैसे ना हो जाए हेयर फॉल. सो I think 1 or 2 months I'll use it more to reduce my hair fall. Now my hair fall is reduced, as I told you, till around 40%. So yeah, I don't think this was a bad purchase for me. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा reviews ऐसे सुने हैं इसके कि this doesn't work and this is just a and means कुछ नहीं होता, आप रियल ऑनियन अप्लाई करो. आई हैव अप्लाइड रियल ऑनियन एंड येस दैट्स ऑल्सो यूजफुल, बट इतना प्रोसेस, इतना टाइम आई डोंट थिंक मेरे पास है, या इतने एफर्ट्स उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लगते हैं कि सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू कट डाउन द प्रोसेस. एंड येस, ये इसमें मुझे ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालने नहीं पड़े. I just shampoo like I use my regular shampoo. I'm using this. And yes, कभी कभी मैं बीच में शैम्पू अपना रेगुलर वाला यूज कर लेती हूँ. I skip this. I think I should not do it and I will not do it. But yes, I have pretty much uses and this is half and I am not in love with this, but yes, I am satisfied with the results which it has given. Simple, you can also give it a try. I not claim that you will also see the results or and all that, but yes, everybody's hair is different, everybody's scalp texture is different. I am very satisfied with this. So yes, that was my review. I hope you liked it. If yes, then please don't forget to like this video and share. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.